Alright, so welcome back again to my video. So in this video we are going to talk about how to add people to your Facebook Business Manager account. So if you want to give access to people to your Facebook Business Manager account, so just scroll down on your left side and you might see the Ads Manager. So click on the Ads Manager and wait for a few seconds to load. Alright, so on the step now you have to click on the All Tools on your left side and click on the Business Settings. And you might have to choose which business manager portfolio you want to use. So I'm just going to choose this one and scroll down and just click on the business manager and click on business manager settings. Wait for a few seconds to load, and here we are now in the business manager settings, and now we can just see that we have only one person that is available in our business manager account, and we can invite more people to use our business manager account. So if you want to invite some other people to your business manager account, so what you have to do is to click on the invite people. Click on invite people, wait for a few seconds to load, and here you can just enter the email address you want. So after entering your email address to the person that you want to add to your business manager account, then you can just click next, and here you can just give access to full control if you want, or view advanced options, view manage, or whatever. So after that, click next, and you can see that they will be able to manage the ad account, the Facebook page, and you can just give them access to create content or manage content, post, whatever, community activity if you want, message calls, ads, whatever, revenue, and or full control if you want, and ad account as well. You might just choose the ad account that you want to give them, and for ad account I might just give them to the full control and integration of Instagram. If you want, you can give them access to. So just review all the permission that you want to assign them, and after that you can just click on the invite and they will just be invited, and that's everything. And I can see that we need to verify, so yeah, you can just verify your account as well. Alright, so after verifying, and then we are done, and now the person that you invited to your Facebook Business Manager account have to confirm that, and after that they will have access to your business manager and all the tools that you have assigned them to. So I hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know that in the comment below, and thanks for watching. So let's meet in the next video.